Hey y'all, it's your girl Levi and I'm back with another video.
Effortlessly.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, check out a couple videos. You might like it over here. But in today's video, we have a grocery shop and a meal prep. I'm about to go into Aldi's, then we're gonna go to Walmart. Sometimes the meal prep really just don't be working, but I've started doing it kind of like off camera because I feel like I'm kind of lying to y'all when I tell y'all meal prepping and then half that shit go to waste. I found that I like to meal prep for a couple days, like 3-4 days max. Honestly, like 5 days is really fucking pushing it. I can't, like, I don't know, like I just don't want to eat that shit after a couple fucking days. Like I don't want it.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fucking right. Body Buddhist, polite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Hoes and hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy.
Yo, this is Nappy Boy Radio live with your boy T-Pain. We love rap music. Listen, we got a caller on line one. Caller, what's your problem? How's it going?
It ain't going good. My girl ain't doing the thing she used to do at all.
I got just what you need. Brand new Chris Brown, T-Pain. You heard it here first. Nappy Boy Radio. We love.
Y'all, so we got the chicken salad and I tasted it and this is actually good. I was kind of scared that I wasn't gonna like it with the cottage cheese. I've seen some people saying to use Greek yogurt. I'm not a fan of Greek yogurt, but with the cottage cheese, this is really good. This is the broccoli. I put it in the oven at 425. This is the shrimp. I also put this in the oven at 425. And this is my meal prep for the next couple days. This will get me through at least like 2.5 days because I got a lot of that chicken salad. The shrimp, it might only last like 2 days, but the chicken salad definitely gonna last like 3-4 days. If you are somebody that does not like meal prepping for the entire week, comment down below and make sure you subscribe for more meal prep inspiration. I will see y'all in my next video.